Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today I am going to show you a little hunt I just finished. And in this hunt I actually got some really nice and cool models. And yeah, these models are only Hot Wheels mainlines and one Matchbox 5-pack. But especially that Matchbox 5-pack is so good. And yeah, without further ado and without wasting time, let's get started. I have in total 8 cars to present today. 6 of these we are going to open up. 2 of these I'm going to keep sealed simply because I bought 2 cars double. And then we have this Matchbox 5-pack. I think by the image of on the back side you've just seen, some of you already know which 5-pack it is, but the 5-pack is the last for today. We're gonna start with the first Hot Wheels, which is the first recolor of the McLaren W1, and this is in a beautiful gray color. By the way, before we get to the opening, I'm gonna show everyone and then we're going to, oh no, I'm gonna do it however I want. I'm still a little bit sick. I don't know if you can hear it, but I still have a little bit to do with my nose. I have some coughing and a sore throat. So if I sound weird or don't pronounce everything correctly, please be kind with me. Anyways, it's Christmas time. Tomorrow we have already the second advent. And I hope you all are doing well. You have already got some Christmas presents for your family and friends. And yeah, you can let me know in the comments what you are doing at this time. I'm just going on with my life, to be honest. I got a few Christmas presents already, but I didn't got them all yet. Anyways, here's the McLaren W1, which is actually really, really beautiful. Okay, I just noticed that I forgot to turn off my lights. Now I did. Now we can look at the car in a better detail. It's actually a really nice model in my opinion. Okay, next up we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and I know I said that we're going to open up 6 cars of these 8 today, but actually we're gonna keep this one sealed as well because I'm gonna gift this one to my mother, and I want to gift it to her in this packaging, even though the packaging is, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, is actually a little bit damaged. No, it's not anymore, or not as bad. So yeah, this is going to my mother and I want to give it to her like this. Anyways, next up we have a beautiful recolor of the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3, and I love GT3 or DTM style racing cars. I just love them. And the Bentley I was searching for so long, and now I finally got it. I'm in this gold color. I know it's made after a real life livery, but I can't recall it right now. But the for the gray one of it, I think, I don't even know if it's the first version or not. That was both in mainline and in premium. You are searching for it forever online and in real life, so I'm not mad about this one. It's a really beautiful. Let's open it up. This is actually the first time in months that I went out there and got some cars, which is really nice. I didn't have much time in the recent months to really go for it. So yeah, happy to be back. Here we have a beautiful gold Bentley Continental GT3, which just looks absolutely awesome. Next up we have another new for 2025 casting, which is actually one of my favorites of this year, of the new castings, and it is the McMurdy Spearling. It's in, if you know S49 or the car in real life, it's actually a really small and cute car in my opinion. So that's actually really nice. Oh, and we're going to rip apart the entire packaging. And it's actually a really nice and cute car in my opinion, and especially it's fast. It's like super fast. I know it's electric, and to be honest I don't even actually care about it being electric because it's a nice car and that's the only thing I care about. Okay, next up I actually got my first recolor of a Ferrari, and it's actually the Ferrari 365 GTB for Competizione, which I got 2 times actually, luckily. This one I'm gonna keep it, this one I'm gonna open because over here the blister is a little bit damaged as well. I don't know what's going on with the damaged blisters today, but yeah, anyways. As you may know, I've got the red one. Wait, can I find it really quickly? Where is it? Hello? What? Why can't I find stuff? Oh no, I have it. Never mind. I have it. As you may know, I got the red one a few months ago, and now I got the yellow recolor of it, which is really nice. We're gonna park you in the background or like over here. Wait, technically you're now going the wrong way, but we aren't judging today, and the blisters don't really want to open today, which is actually making it quite hard. 65 GTB4. I think the lightning makes it, the light in general makes it a bit hard to read it on camera. So I'm trying my best here. I hope you can read it. Actually, another beautiful Ferrari. The 365 or 364, 365 GTB4 is actually the only Ferrari I have in my collection until now. Don't get me wrong, I'm really happy about having it. I just hope that before the end of this year, before we go into 2026, even though we have already the 6th of December, but anyway, I just hope to find, I don't care about the SF90, if I find it I will take it, obviously it's a really nice car, don't get me wrong, but if I find the Ferrari F40 Competizione in red or yellow, man, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be the happiest man. Okay, the last 2 cars of the Hot Wheels for today are actually the Ford RS200, and yes, this is only the regular version of what would be a Super Treasure Hunt, but I'm not mad about this because this regular version in this Golf livery is just beautiful and awesome. The Ford RS200 is, in my opinion, in general, a really beautiful car, and I didn't have it yet in my collection, so I'm really glad I have it now. Sadly, no rear details. I would have loved to see at least the tail lights, but anyway, we got some detail over here, and we got some nice interior detail as well. Okay, and with this we have the 8 Ferraris I found today done. And now they are 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually 9. Wait. No, wait. This one I didn't buy. Oh man. Okay. Next up we have the Matchbox 5-pack as promised. And this 5-pack is actually really awesome. It's the Italian Roads 5-pack. Here are the 5 cars in it, especially these 3. I'm interested about this one. I think I have it, but I don't know if it's actually a little bit different. And this one I have it, and well, it's in this, so. But because one is bad, I don't mind it. I'm gonna open it really quickly and then I'm gonna look at it in detail. Forget it, I'm gonna cut the video here and just open it off camera really quickly. Maybe I should have done it on the other side. Now I've ruined the writing, but anyways, I wanted to open it. Now I have opened it. Okay. First up, which I was actually most interested about, we have a Lamborghini Mirror P400S, which is actually interesting. That I didn't even know Matchbox made this casting. And if you know, I have a lot of these mirrors. I have like 4 of these from Hot Wheels. So having it from Matchbox as well, it's actually really interesting. And maybe later in another video we're gonna make a few comparisons between Matchbox and Hot Wheels and see which car, which is basically the same between the two brands, is actually done better by the respective brand. Okay, next up we have a Fiat 500X, which is basically the off-road version of a Fiat 500, and I bought, and well, this is obviously a regular Fiat 500, actually a Fiat 500 Turbo, and actually I bought these 2 cars as well as the Jeep for my mom, because my mom is absolutely in love with the Fiat 500, so having these 2 now to give to her is actually pretty awesome if you ask me. And next up we have a Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA from 1965, and this one I got in another 5-pack at the start of this year or at the end of 2024 in blue. And this car is absolutely nice. We have the Quadrifoglio, if this is how you pronounce it, I hope. I had it already, but it's a nice car. Even though it's not my favorite from this 5-pack, it's definitely a nice one. And the last but definitely not least is the 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Is it just a Giulia? I think. It's definitely a beautiful one. Alfa Romeo Giulia. Giulia. Whatever. And yeah. I think this one is a different Alfa Romeo Giulia than I already had in this dark green, almost emerald green color. It's a nice one, and I absolutely love Alfa Romeos. So yeah. Okay. With this, we are already at the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite car of today. For me personally, it's the Ford RS200 and the Miura, the Lamborghini Miura. And yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, that would be very nice. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I see you again in the next video. Until then, I wish you a very wonderful Christmas time, and in general a wonderful time, and I hope you are all doing well, and I catch you in the next video. Bye bye!